This is the story of a deer, all one color, roaming through a jungle in search of water. She was terribly thirsty, wandering here and there for a long time, but she couldn't find water anywhere. After roaming the jungle for a while, exhausted, she sat down under a tree to rest. While sitting there, she suddenly heard the sound of a flowing river. Excited, she jumped up and followed the sound. When she reached the source, she saw a wide, flowing river in front of her. The deer was overjoyed, as if she had been given a new lease on life. She rushed to the river and lowered her head to drink. But as she did, she glanced to her right and saw a hunter, standing with his bow drawn, aiming at her. Then, she looked to her left and spotted a tiger lurking behind the bushes. Her thirst forgotten, she turned to look behind her and saw a fierce fire slowly approaching. She looked ahead again. There was the hunter with his bow. To her left, the tiger. In front of her, a deep and wide river. And behind her, the raging fire. All paths were blocked. Danger surrounded her from every side. The deer fell into deep thought. "I'm surrounded by trouble from all directions," she thought. "If I'm going to die anyway, why not die after drinking water?" So she began drinking from the river. Moments later, as she drank, dark clouds gathered overhead, and it started to rain. The rain extinguished the fire behind her. Meanwhile, the hunter's arrow, disrupted by the rain, missed its mark and struck the tiger instead. The tiger, enraged, turned and chased the hunter. When the deer lifted her head after drinking, she looked to her right, no hunter. She looked to her left, no tiger. She turned around, the fire was gone. Moral of the story, friends, this story teaches us that problems don't just come into our lives, they come from all directions at once. When this happens, most people panic or get scared. But in such situations, you must not fear or lose your calm. Instead, take 2 minutes to think quietly. The deer had options. She could have jumped into the river or run away. But she stayed calm and focused on her task. She came to drink water, and that's what she did. In life, we are often just a step away from success, but problems like family issues or financial troubles make us lose focus. We panic and give up. But you must not panic or give up. Stay focused on your goal. Keep working toward it, no matter what. Friends, I hope you like this story. Don't worry about what the world will say if you fail. Keep going, and one day, the world will look up to you.